Hey guys, it's me, fresh from my other rant about Indiana. Here we are at Mill Creek Recreation Area. I am in the Buckeye Loop, and I reserved this one spot, and I thought it was the closest spot to the showers that are right over there, because I'm going to be showering the hell out of myself. I might shower twice tonight. Who knows? Anyways, this is a beautiful place. There's a lake here called Berlin Lake. It's right over the horizon over there, through that sea of campers. I'm starting to wonder. It's 6 p.m. There was no one at the front gate to check in. And I'm starting to wonder if something's not right, because this entire loop is empty. Now I went online and I looked, and it says all these spots around me are reserved. So I don't know what the heck happened. I wonder, I kind of wonder if my uncle didn't have something to do with this. I told him where I was going, and I told him that I had a horrible night last night. Kind of lost my faith in humanity a little bit, at least in Indiana's humanity. People, I don't know, the younger generations just don't understand camping etiquette. They're just horrible, noisy, and just, I don't know. Anyways, back to this instead of my rant. You can see my rant in another video. I'm just still, all day I've been pissed about it. So anyway, so this is my camping spot. It's not beautiful here. I mean, there's some grassy areas, but I didn't pick the one with the grassy areas. I kind of picked this one underneath the trees, which I guess is a good thing, because it's going to get hot tomorrow. And it's pretty hot right now. It's about 85 degrees. I don't understand these fire rings. They just seem to be just everywhere. I think my site has 2 of them somehow. There's one there, and there's one on the ground right over here. I don't know. There's also another one over there for that campsite. So I'm like really confused. Anyways, so I'm gonna set up my tent right here between these 2 trees. And then these 2 trees, if I feel like it, I didn't do it last time, I should have. I'm gonna bust out the hammock that I bought from Costco that I still haven't used, and it's the end of the trip, so I should probably use it. I will say one thing about this place: there are a ton of flies. They are everywhere. And I know that with people come flies, so this might be a heavily populated area, and that's why there's so many flies. It could also be that there's a lake right over there, and the flies just kind of migrate from the lake. But anyways, dog seems okay. She refusing to eat today. I tried to give her some food. 3 different kinds of food. I wasted some more wet dog food. It was only $2. I'm not super worried about it, but I can't figure her out. She seems really stressed out, and when I take her off leash, she doesn't listen to me at all. She just wanders around and sniffs. So maybe she just wants a walk. But I gotta get something set up before I go on a walk so that it looks like I'm here. So tent's gonna go there. I'm gonna drag a fire ring and put it like right next to the tent. Maybe it looks like these just get dragged around wherever. So I'm thinking I might put it in this little spot right here in front. I think my tent's gonna face this way. But anyways, here's to hoping I get the whole campground to myself. I wouldn't be surprised. It was only $20 per site. I wouldn't be surprised if my uncle went out and did something crazy, like reserved the whole loop. But I don't know if I told him where I was camping, so it's just weird. I went on the website, and it's all reserved now, but there is no one here. So I don't know what's going on, but I look forward to camping here tonight. If I get this all by myself, it's gonna be fantastic, because I slept about 2 hours last night, and I feel horrible right now. My back hurts. I took some Advil to take care of my back, because I just didn't sleep. So I was just tossed and turned all night, trying not to listen to the people. Also, there's no power here. That's kind of sucky, but I figured out a trick. I take my inverter, I plug it into my car, where I plug it into the battery in my car, and then I can plug in anything I want pretty much. So I'm a little nervous. Cleveland has the highest crime rate in America, apparently, and I'm right by Cleveland. So I'm a little nervous, and there's a sheriff that's patrolling the park. So that makes me more nervous because none of the other parks I went to had cops. They just had the DNR guys. So super nerve-wracking to see a sheriff just kind of patrolling the park. I might take a minute. I'll walk the dog over to the front gate and see if anybody's there because they're not supposed to be closed till about 8 o'clock. I don't know if there's a special tag I'm supposed to have on my car or whatever. Last place had a tag that I had to put on my car, and I handed it in when I checked out. But anyways, that is the campsite. I'm going to get set up because I'm exhausted, and I'm here early, so I kind of want to take the dog and just kind of run her out of energy because I think she's just got tons of pent-up walking energy that she's just not using up. So that's why she's not eating, is because she doesn't feel tired, so she's not trying to replenish the energy that she doesn't, you know what I mean? So I just hope she doesn't pass out from exhaustion from not eating. But she doesn't seem to. She gets lethargic as soon as I set up the tent and let her in. She will lay down and just shut the hell up and just zonk out on my sleeping bag. So she loves my sleeping bag. So anyways, say bye, Emmy. Bye, Emmy. Bye, guys.